And we're ready to go with actual marking of the slider in preparation for drilling the hole. You can see I've drawn a pencil line that's approximately at this high center point on the slider. Then I take the harmonica, lay it on top of it, and moving it up and down, see how much lateral movement do I get and where is the actual center of this slider, which is right there. Up and down movement is correct. Left and right looks proper. I think I could come over a little bit more to one side there. And I'm going to take a look here and just see with the stick, am I equal? Yes. Okay, so now I have a dot that's in the correct place for the center on the slider, and this being a one-hole slider. So that completes the marking